Hi guys, hi classmates or alumnos, okay? But hi Oliver, hi Diego, hi Camila, hi Leila, hi Said, hi Albert, hi Marcy, hi Michelle, and hi Miss Ashley. Okay, this is our history video, okay? So, the history video 7.2 or history lesson 7.2, okay? These are the notes. I'll be like doing this so you can see them clearly. And this is the homework, okay? In this one, we'll start with the homework. So, homework is read history pages 66 through 67. We will be reading them, but you need to read them if you didn't catch something from me or if I missed something because I don't have all the necessary notes here, okay? I just have the most important ones that are in dark letters, okay? So now the second homework of history is complete section 7.2 review, page 67. So this is found on page 67 of our book of history, okay? So the third one is research your second article. Yep. In our homework sheet it says the first one, but remember we do the first one on Monday. So this one is the one for today is our second article, okay? So research your second article due Wednesday by 11 p.m., okay? No more than that. Okay, so here we can see our homework. Okay? Okay, now let's start reading them. See, like I said, when you finish watching the video, go read. Go read this book. Okay, it's this book. Read it, and if I didn't catch something, you missed something, whatever it was, read it again anyway, and then do the 7.2 review, okay? So let's start reading. It says, History of the Roman Republic. The early republic. Rome was first governed by Latin kings. However, the early Roman monarchy was no more durable than its Greek counterpart had been. The Etruscans eventually conquered the city and installed their own kings. When the Latins revolted in 509 BC and removed the last Etruscan the La- when the Latins revolted in 509 BC and removed the last Etruscan king, they established a republic. What's a republic? A republic is a form of government in which all citizens who are entitled to vote participate in decisions through elected representatives. Okay? Okay. Next paragraph. Most Roman citizens belong to the large class of people known as plebeians or plebs. This class included the common people of Rome: merchants, businessmen, soldiers, craftsmen, and independent farmers. Wealthier Romans, okay? So it says, perhaps descendants of the first three Latin tribes to settle on Rome's hills. These people were known as patricians, okay? So the first three Latin tribes to settle on Rome's hills were known as patricians, okay? The patricians resembled the aristocrats of early Greece who used their prominence in the family religion to gain political power. In the early republic, a body known as the Assembly represented the citizens of Rome, including the plebs. To maintain control of the republic, the heads of the patricians' families formed the Senate. An elite group, an elite group that originally served as an advisory body to the king. Okay, so the Senate was an elite group that originally served as an advisory body to the king. With the end of the monarchy, the Senate became the most powerful body in the Roman Republic. In place of a king, the Senate elected two consuls for 1 year terms to administer the government and the army. Okay, so the Senate became the most powerful body in the Roman Republic. Just want to make that clear because it's pretty important, okay? So, the change in republic. The early republic favored the patricians over the plebs in several ways. For example, the plebs were barred from holding public office and prohibited from marrying into the patricians' class. Thus, while the plebs could vote, they actually had little voice in the government. They also paid most of the taxes in Rome and filled the lower ranks of the Roman army, while patricians served as military officers. Before I keep reading, I want to give you guys an option of reading the book, okay? You can hear it. While I read, you can take out your book, you can hear the video, and read. When you see an important note, take it, and then keep hearing while you also read the video with me, okay? Or, if you don't want to do that, you will need to watch the video and then go to make your notes by yourself, okay? Okay, let's keep going. For 2 centuries, the plebs struggled for the right to participate in the government of Rome. Finally, in the early 5th century BC, the plebs scored a victory with the Concilium Plebis, an official plebeian assembly. The plebeian assembly elected tribunes. I think it's pronounced like that. So, the plebeian assembly elected tribunes to represent them. These tribunes had power to block any action by the Senate, the patrician assembly, or the consuls that might hurt the plebs. By the middle of the 5th century, the plebs had scored another victory with the law of the 12 tribes, demanding that Roman law be written down and displayed in the forum for everyone to see. So this was for everyone to know the rules with any exception, and then they don't go and say, hey, but I didn't know the rule. I haven't heard it. So then the politic people can go and say, well, see, here it is. It's not just if you hear it, you could read it also. So let's keep going. Eventually, the plebs won the right to serve as consuls and senators, and the plebeian assembly gained the power to make laws for all Roman citizens, patrician or plebeian. With this victory, the final say in Roman government passed to the plebs, and the patricians fell from power. Okay? So this is the last paragraph, okay? The original distinction between patrician and pleb eventually became less important than the distinction between rich and poor. Prosperous times gave ambitious plebs the opportunity to gain great wealth through business ventures. Some plebs actually became richer than the patricians. As the rich and poor grew further and further apart, this distinction would bring increasing strife and turmoil to Rome. So, this was a reading. So make sure you read it. Like I said, I remember a lot because it's pretty important. Okay. Now let's go to the notes. I'll first read one, then show it to you. Like I will go this right. Okay. Then I'll read another one and show it to you. Read another one that way. Okay. So the first one is, what's a republic? A republic is a form of government in which all citizens who are entitled to vote participate in decisions through elected representatives. So, let me do this to the camera. Okay, no, okay. Okay. Now it says plebeians. Most Roman citizens belong to this group. They are also called plebs, okay? Or you could wrote where most Roman citizens belong, okay? So, okay, look, what's it? So I changed my mind. I'll read it all and then I'll show it to you, okay? So it says patricians, the first 3 Latin tribes to settle in Rome's hills. So they were the first people who went to the hills and lived there, who settled there, okay? Next one. Assembly. What's an assembly? So it's the body that represented the citizens in Rome. So an assembly represented the people who lived in Rome. and like they were born there, they lived there, okay? So now the next one is Senate, an elite group or an elite group that originally served as an advisory body to the king. So this was like a big, important VIP group that was for the king. It was 5 stars, okay? So now, Concilium Plebis, an official plebeian assembly, okay? What's a Concilium Plebis? An official plebeian assembly. That's important. All that I'm saying here is the most important things we read from here. There are more important things. That's why you should read it again and then do the 7.2 review of history, okay? Then it says tribunes. I hope it's pronounced like that. Tribunes. Smaller bodies that represented the concilium plebis. So like for they could be separated. That's what they did. They will divide it into little groups, okay? So then it says Law of the 12 Tables. This is the demanding from the concilium plebis that Roman law be written down and displayed in the forum for everyone to see. Okay? I'll repeat it. It says Law of the 12 Tables. What is this? It's the demanding from the concilium plebis that Roman law be written down and displayed in the forum for everyone to see. Okay? Sorry for the cutting. I went out to do something, so sorry about that. So like I said, I will then zoom it again. Wait, I will touch the camera. Now you can see it, okay? Okay. So this was all. I'll repeat the homework. Read history pages, okay? Not because I read it with you. No. Only if you like. It's acceptable if you brought your book, you heard while you read, okay? While you read with me, that's acceptable. You don't need to read it again. Then complete section 7.2, review, page 67. After reading, if you didn't do it with me, complete section 7.2 review in page 67. And then research your second article due Wednesday. So don't let it be late. If you can give it to our teacher as early as you can. Do it. Don't wait for it to be like 10:59. Oh, it's almost 11. I need to send it. Don't like if you finish at 5, send it at 5. If you finish at 12, like 12, 11 hours before, send it at 12, okay? Don't be late. So this is the page. We want to see it again, okay? And I hope you like this video. Was my only day teaching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.